I wrote one book about mom, that in Bengali. Though I have been living here for 51 years, I still can't forget my beloved mom. The accident or incident, how that happened and took place, that's something still affecting me and my heart. I'm still thinking my heart is black. Mom who feed me, grow up me, educate me, love me, look after me. That's all. I didn't believe I'll leave her she left me like this, and I didn't contribute a penny. I just came to this country. That's it. So I thought, whatever knowledge I got, I'm not a very highly educated man, neither in English nor in Bengali, I told you already. Whatever knowledge I got, I thought I'd do something for the community, especially Bengali community. And if once they read the book, they know what mom means. That's all, right? Nothing. And I hope everybody share with me, with my heart, and they always think about mom. আমরা দামাল জুড়িয়াছি সাইর কোনা সাইর মোমের বাতি মাঝখানেতে আলমারি আলমারি খুলিয়া দেখো শাম বন্ধের ফিরিতি